In this video, I'll show you how to convert a scanned PDF to an editable Word document using Nitro PDF Pro. Welcome to this video. My name is David and I hope you're well wherever you are around the world. Now, I do have a PDF with me here and it's a scanned PDF, and right there you cannot make any selections, and if I press on Ctrl F to search for anything, the PDF is not searchable. It's not possible to search for anything, therefore this particular PDF is not editable. Now, by the end of this video, we should be able to convert it from this scanned PDF to a Microsoft Word document, and as I mentioned, we're going to be using Nitro PDF Pro. So all I need to do right here is just drag and drop my PDF right there, and once I do that, it's going to open up. I'm going to get this particular prompt to use OCR, but if it does not come up or you accidentally close it, you can go to review and then click on OCR. And once you do that, you're going to make it searchable or make it searchable and editable. That's what we want. And then you have a couple of extra options here. I'll click on options, all pages, and what else do we need? The advanced options, OCR, downsampling images to about 300 dpi, but we can also do same as original, but let's leave it at 300 dpi. Quality, let's leave it a medium, and then we can click on apply, click OK, and if you're satisfied, just click OK, and the OCR is going to begin. So it's converting this 3-page more or less text-based document into an editable document, because this is a scanned PDF. I want it to be editable right here. So let's just give it a couple of seconds. It's at 64%. and it's done. Once it's done, it's going to give you an untitled document here. So if I click on edit right here, you can now see bounding boxes right here, and I can make any edits I'd like to make to this particular document. But for this video, we first of all go to save, and then we can just select this title we have here and then make it let's call it editable, and then click on save. Now once we do that, the next option is to convert to Word. The option to convert is here. If you cannot see it, you can also come here to convert to Word, and the file that is there, you can see it right there, is what I want to convert. And then I'm going to the same folder as the original. Now that's all I need, and then click on convert right there. It's exporting PDF file. So as you can see, it kind of goes a little bit blank and then opens up the PDF, the converted Word document right there. So you can see it. We can now make any edits that we need to this particular document inside Word. And that is how you can use Nitro PDF Pro to convert a scanned PDF document into an editable Word document. Super simple, super easy. That's it for this video. I hope it's of value to you. Thanks for watching.